calculator does one thing. It shows your client what they've been leaving on the table. You need 4 numbers. What are they paying annually for work comp, GL, and commercial auto, and what their average losses look like over the last 5 years. That's it. They can give you those off the top of their head. No documents, no carrier information, nothing from their current agent. You plug those in and the calculator shows what they would have kept had they been in a captive over that period. When you show them the number, don't lead with captives. Lead with the number. Something like, based on what you just told me, if you'd been in a different structure over the last 5 years, you could have roughly kept this much. Circle it, right? Ask if they want to understand how that's possible. That's the whole first meeting. You're not selling a captive, you're showing them a gap between what they've been doing and what's possible. The clients who shrug are telling you something. The ones who lean in are worth conversations to continue.